Ole, January ni ruk sang ni som ni paruk ania. Trump an Venezuela abe avanga Khawvel role na in thak chho thei dan tur hemi video hianin kan react don ane. Let's go. Palki Sharma hawino.
This attack is Trumpism in a nutshell.
Hey, Trumpism chu Donald Trump ngai dan le adu dan mo political ideology ha khang kha I thumal pakhatin an soifia chu Trumpism tiane TRUMPISM mo chuan
Erratic, deadly and unpredictable.
soilok theilo laom boxi ron ni thut mo kha Donald Trump chet dan ani.
And it's not just reshaping American or regional politics, it is reshaping the world order.
Donald Trump thilti hian in khulam America lampang ringot ang hong lawa Khawvel pum puyang hong don ani he thil hi chuan mo kan soi chawang
In three ways.
kong thumin.
Tonight we'll tell you how. Number one, Trump's actions mirror the rule of the jungle.
Donald Trump hian in ram hnuaya ro rel na ang chi hi a en tir ani om je chu ram hnuaya chuan a thil ti theile a chak ber khan adikemo adiklowemo ro rel thin.
Where might is right.
Where might is right.
Just think about it. The US did not give proof of Venezuela's drug smuggling. They
Venezuela hian in damtoyan tol ruan ti US chuan in amaro chu khatiang hanin soima se proof kha US nampa chuan an ron pe chuang lawa
did not conduct a proper trial. They did not approach the United Nations.
United Nations kha anwa beron lem lova
They simply barged in and
Venezuela kha an du huna than ti huna khanin an zuk be mi amai ne
kidnapped the Venezuelan president.
President pon man mak khamo
Why? Because they could.
achan chu an thei ani theilo sen ti lawang an theia chu ma chuan heteng henin I ram hoi te po entiran I sakei a te po nia I zong rual kan ti anga chi te po nia alal ber alpha male ber khan adi hanin adudu da hanin ro rel mai ani khatiang deuh kha a enti ran ti ani Donald Trump ro rel dan hi mo.
Now don't get us wrong. Maduro was an autocrat who deserved to be ousted. His policies crushed dissent and impoverished his people. So yes, he deserved to go, but not like this.
Maduro hi enge autocrat kan ti ang chi khanita mani du da na ro rela an ram te chevek ma se poi ti lo ama hlong na chi angai tu ani mi tha chu ni chuang lo Maduro hi mo ama ro chu hetianga pai thak ani ero hi chu pai thak ani dan ero hi chu adik chi lo ani ti ni.
Not through a blatant violation of Venezuela's sovereignty. And this is classic Trump. He does the same in domestic politics as well. Act first, justify later.
He Donald Trump chet ve dan trim ania ati phota chumin huwa chuanin a soifia na te a thilti chana te kha yeng hanin mi puishe da hanin aron soi chuak ta trin ane.
Look at all his executive orders. Look at how he violates courts and laws. It's the same strategy in foreign policy as well. Ignore due process. If you have the power, just use it.
Thunei nai nei chuanin mang top mai ro ti ang chi deuh ma to kha Donald Trump hi chuanin zeblo chuanin anei ve ani ke ni Christian dan chuanin thaviau thunga ti mai te ang order pe ya enge mon le om zi le enge hong le kan tia order pe vek nuwa khanin tiang khanin om zi ha kan han chefi a chho thin ta kha ani Donald Trump chumo amaro chu thutluk na ero chu asiam hoi thin khop mai pu Trump hian hi chu ama afak om ve na.
And rest assured, other countries will take note. What's stopping Thailand from escalating against Cambodia? What's
ramdang po in Donald Trump ati danin enton thei chi ani hi apoy na lai tur takania achan chu da po Thailand le Cambodia te po nin ti boya Thailand te po hin in Cambodia te po du chon in run thei reng ani
stopping China from invading Taiwan? What's
China po hin in Taiwan hi adu phot chuanin hey Trump na hetianga ache ta lak ta ka wang hian in adu chon in a run ve thei thawani be ve thei thawani
stopping Russia from kidnapping Zelensky?
Russia po han du chuanin Ukraine President Zelensky po han du chon an du phot chuanin an kidnap ve thei thawani.
If the US can do it, why can't they?
US na hetianga adu da na thila kalpui the ni chuanin ramdang thil ti thei te hianin engwang in nge anti theilo bi kang khami rilru kha khami mindset kha aom to odon ani tu na chuan.
That's the message that is rippling across the world. Number two, Trump is reviving spheres of influence. Remember old Cold War days. The US and the Soviet Union carved up the world. They had their own backyard regions. And looks like Donald Trump is returning to that thinking.
Man lai Indo Cold War mo khati hun lai Khawvel ro rel na ang khatuna hianin Trump hianin ron kalpui atum le deuh hlek ni in alang chho ane.
He has repeatedly emphasized on the Western Hemisphere.
Tuna hianin om je chu Donald Trump hianin khulam America lampanga khwanin thunei pum hlum top atum ni na lang atuna te po Greenland te po asoiri le to ani Russia te China te na an hei nge mun poimo an lo nei ve la ka tang te khan Greenland te po kha han chu sak thena khatia ga han ti te po kha Trump hi chuan in achak ril ruvia wani om je chu khulama khwan thunei pum hlum top atum nin alang ani an ti me omai ni news report ten an soidan chuan mo chuanin adang le a chuan hi han in lot lock se YouTube hi yes, let's go.
He wants total American dominance in this region. And in other places,
America hi thunei ber turina duani khulama khwal mo.
In other places, he's willing to take a step back. Trump has undermined Ukraine's position against Russia. He's weakened American ties to Europe, and all of this plays into Moscow's hand.
America hen to hen Trump hen concentrate lutuka Ukraine po ngai sak tolowa European Union po hi amang Joe Biden na atran ang hasonin to na hen US sonin atran vak to lowani Moscow kuta Russia kuta anin nga thui to le ani.
And the same in Asia. Last November, Trump called for a G2 summit. G2 stands for the group of two.
Ni kum khanin Donald Trump hian in G2 summit akawa G2 omje chu rampani in Dorton tinania chuanin G2 hian in USA le China ba kan tel lawani Khawvel ram thil ti thei berte jing ami pani ba kan tel lawani.
And who are these two? China and the US. Trump called a summit of China and the US. It tells you how Donald Trump is thinking. Two big powers shaping politics and rules. And the
rampani thil ti thei takin Khawvel kalphung dan tur Khawvel kal zel dan tur an relang khatiang hoizong de khanin Trump hian in ma alani in New Zealand on report ani
simply watching from the sidelines. Next is number 3, a new battle for resources. Such conflicts dominated the 1980s, the 90s and 2000s. You had countries being invaded for their natural resources. Most often it was oil. But recently that was changing. Resources did not trigger the Ukraine war. They did not trigger the Gaza war or the clashes between India and Pakistan and Thailand and Cambodia. They were purely political and strategic.
Tuna hianin apathumna tan chuanin ram ho sakna it le du awanga in runa le in beina hi aron hluar chole thei mai thei ani achan chu Russia le Ukraine in ti boy chan hi hetiang oil wanga ni lawa India le Pakistan in ti boy te po hi oil wanga ni chuang lo chuanin Gaza le Israel te khulam Middle East boy po oil wanga ni chuang lo politics thuk taka in rola amaro chu tuna Trump na USA na Venezuela va be chiam hi mitam tak chuanin Trump te hianin Venezuela oil te minerals te an wangan id wang ani ti in report oma hi Trump te po hianin an pha overlowin ka hria ani America Oil Company te Venezuela tirlu atum thu te po Trump chuanin a soito ni kha.
But Trump is openly waging wars for natural resources. So in Venezuela's case it is oil, in Greenland's case it is rare earths. And even for peace deals, resources are front and center.
Greenland, so ito han sina ka soy zuay ta Greenland te po ka rare earth minerals mo. Minerals apoy mo tak lu tak ang chi kha tama wang hanin Trump hianin. Soy ito ni Greenland te po mo. Chuan rampan ni hi an lawin dora. Kang rampan hi anin dor na te po khan enge sum le pai ai ma chuanin hetiang ang oil te minerals rare earth minerals kan ti ang chi hi enge ram pakhatin chumi chu hetiang hian kan ti sak chenga nangnin chumi chu min pe ve thungang ti nan khanin an mang to example mai mai anti nan mai Trump pate hianin Ukraine hena hemi mang hian kan tran pui cheunga chumi rulet nan chuanin in minerals in lunglu in oil ang chi hi US in ron pelet ve thungang khatiang zong khan.
Ukraine had to sign away their rare earths to Donald Trump. Only then did Trump open the aid supply. So the old ideological and political alliances are weakening. Instead, resource-driven partnerships are growing. I know all of this sounds overwhelming.
Resource-driven partnership ram leilung ho sakna nei tha apiang chu ram thil ti thei te hianin an be thanga an tlon chho to do nin alang ani tuna po Mizoram ate po hian hetiang hi ani chuanin kan ram leilung ha lo ho sak viau phei chuan ram tam tak khanin meron tlon chho don viau ni in alang ani nei news pon an ron puang.
The question is, how can a country like India navigate this churn? What are India's lessons from this crisis? For starters, the fault lines are sharpening. Such conflicts will force India to take a definite stand. We saw that first during the war in Ukraine, and we are seeing it again with Venezuela. Each time, India has responded with caution. New Delhi did not condemn Russia's invasion of Ukraine, so naturally we did not condemn the US either. But such balancing acts will become tougher in the future because divisions and conflicts are sharpening. And
atirin India hian in Ukraine Russia na an run kha Russia kha adem lem lawa tuna US in Venezuela be hian in India son in US kha adem le lem chuang lawa ni amaro chu nakina chuan in engtika mo strong taka India po tu lama nge atan tu side nge ani ti kha chiang taka ai tarlan chau kha ngai don in la tuna video kan ri ka tanga apoimo bera chuan heti hian in Trump an Venezuela abeya na chan chu thunei na ne thilan ti theya anti mai ani amaro chu Russia in Ukraine tin China in Taiwan Thailand in Cambodia te khatiang khanin aram thil ti thei jok te khan mo aram thil ti thei jok te khan an du kha an lo ti ve pal thei ani kha thil om takania chuanin apan hina chuanin ram leilung ho sakna nei tha te hi tuna hianin Khawvel ram thil ti thei te hianin an in tlon siak chhodon in alanga an in tlon siak lo ani chuan hetiang hianin Trump ang hianin Venezuela Trump an abei thut ang hianin an va bei thut ve thei tho ani kha thil om thei bok ani kha apoi mo khop mai ole kha ti zong kha tun tu mata na kan react thei ni se video la ngai mole theu doni